Hi there, students. Garish. Okay, an adjective. Garishly, the adverb. And I guess as a noun, garishness, the noun of the quality. Okay, if something is garish, it's got too much bright ornamentation. It's vulgar and tasteless. Yeah, rather like gaudy. Overly bright, lurid as well, unpleasantly bright. So he was wearing a garish t-shirt in lurid colours. Okay, yeah, it was gaudy, it was loud. Yeah, notice this word garish is disapproving. Okay, it's something that is too showy, it's too ostentatious, or too brightly coloured. So the wall was painted in a garish, lurid pink. So let's see, lurid has the idea of shine brightly. Garish has also the added idea of tastelessness. Because I guess you could use lurid colours to make something actually very tasteful and artistic. But if you say it's garish, yeah, you dislike it because it's so bright, it's so showy. The restaurant was advertised with garish signs. The material used to make his suit was garish, and it was just vulgar. Yeah, it was gaudy. It was not something that a gentleman would wear. Okay, so garish, it's overly bright. Yeah, obtrusively bright and showy. Yeah, loud, harsh, glaring, violent, and very flashy. Okay, so garish doesn't just have to be colours, but it's overly showy. It's showing off. Yeah, it's so loud that it's vulgar. Yeah. Yeah, there was a garish orange carpet on the floor. Was it a lurid orange? Yes, it was as well, but the whole scene was garish. Yeah, it was vulgar, it was flashy, it was brash, tacky, and loud. Okay, it was just totally tasteless. All of the clothes that he wears are really garish. Okay, so notice I'm using this garish critically. But okay, let's see. The cut of her clothes is very garish. It's very ostentatious. Yeah, she always wears garish jewelry, big showy pieces. So notice it doesn't just have to be colour. Yeah, the room was decorated with garish ornaments in bad taste, excessively ostentatious. So, how formal is this word garish? I think I would probably give it a 5 in formality, and I think you could use it anywhere. It might sound a little bit literary, and it's a slightly unusual choice of words, so it's a good word for you to use. Do native speakers use this? Yes, definitely. And then as to origin, well, there was a Middle English word, goren, meaning to stare, which probably comes from the old Norse word, the Vikings, to watch, to heed. Yeah? Okay, so yeah, to gawp at maybe is the part of the origin as well. Okay, so garish, either really bright, showy colours that are lurid, yeah, or something that is so ostentatious that it's really in bad taste. Yeah, he spent so much money on the event that it became garish. It was just overly showy. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Garish, garishly, garishness.